Hello guys, right now I'm going to fix my PayPal account. Yes, and this one I have been chosen. Yeah, I have been chosen as your request to desktop site. Go back. Yeah, I open two tabs. The first tab is focus on paypal.com and the second one is 2fa.live. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but I don't show you my security information like password or 2fa key. Right now, let's go to the option login because I would like to log in my PayPal account first. Yeah, if you create your own PayPal account with email address, so that you need to use the email address. If you create your PayPal account with your phone number, so that you need to use your mobile phone number. But I don't show you. I just go to my keeping place and copy my email address. This is my email address. Trust this device. Here I go to my email address first. Go to Chrome. Here submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you'll need to submit the info we have requested. And this is my PayPal balance. Here. Right now, I would like to share with you how to fake this. Here, let's go to this option. To see this here, I need to fake these two steps. The first one here, provide proof of your address, and the second one is provide credit card statement. This one I have prepared already, so that I will resolve all these steps. First, I would like to resolve your profile proof of your address. Document type, let's select this first. Here, what is it? I would like to use bank statement. I choose the second option. Bank statement, and then I would like to browse files. This one, and you see here, yeah, the file that you can use like or such as JPG, GIF, PNG, PDF, yeah, so on. Yeah, so that I go to my option choose file. Already, yeah, scroll up a little bit, and then click the option submit. Your information has been submitted. Go to account limitation. You see here, right? And then let's go to the option second. Yeah, I need to resolve this step or this option also. Yeah, go to resolve. After that, yeah, I would like to browse the files here, right? Yeah, go to choose file again. Click the option submit. Just wait. Your information has been submitted. Go to account limitation. Wow, you see that? It is okay. Wow, so nice. Check together. Wow, approved. Oh my god. Check together. Oh, done. Wow, so nice. Wow, congratulations. Yeah, I have been faked my PayPal personal account already. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.